All right, guys, we're out here at Palmera Ridge in Leander. About to show you this very unique layout on this house. It's brand new construction, but let's go on in and check it out. So right as you enter in, nice and open, you've got a huge formal dining space right here. And then we also have a nice dedicated office space, nice and big. Can't open the door. Nice big open space there. You can see, a definitely huge dramatic entryway. Let's go ahead and head upstairs. Obviously, it's got all the wrought iron railing in this one. And then this one's got 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths. So as we head upstairs, we're gonna come in, show you the first couple of bedrooms. Bedroom number 1, good sized bedroom. I like how, it's got good sized ceilings, but nice and open for this size room. Walk-in closet, and then we walk straight into the Jack and Jill. Love the countertop space in here. The color palette that they chose is really good. Into the second bedroom, again, good secondary bedroom size on this one. Walk through, you can see nice big open, all the views in the back, which we'll talk about. Head on into the third bedroom. Third bedroom isn't quite as big, but I do like kind of as a guest bedroom upstairs. I think this would work very, very well. And it's got the guest bathroom here as well for the upstairs area. And then in through here, we've got the secondary living space, nice big open space. We've got a spot over there for desks for everybody to do homework, study time, computer time in the access area, but nice big secondary living space, game room here. And then back in here, I love when they have these media rooms with no windows. When you shut the door in here, you're in the movie theater. It's got all electrical for the projecting screen if you want to do that, and all wired for surround sound in here. I love it when they do that with no windows. So you shut that door, you're in the movie theater. Cool little thing about this, this is what I love about this floor plan. You've got the main stairs in and out, the entryway, but then you've got this old school stairway to the back of the house. So kids up and down, it's dinner time, breakfast time, right into the kitchen and living area. But let's go ahead and check out, this is another bedroom here. This one, again, you can see full bathroom. Check that out, floor to ceiling shower in here. So again, another floor plan with 2 bedrooms downstairs. And that is amazing to have. Again, the views from this guest bedroom out, again, the terrain here means that you're never gonna have houses right behind there. It's always gonna look like that, which is so cool. One of the things as we kind of go through here, I wanna show you, we'll take a better look, but you've got the 2-tone, and you've got the natural wood, which I really think brings a lot of attention to how cool that vent is, and brings a lot of really good dimensions in. I think the color choices are amazing, but let's get in here and look at this primary. Primary, nice, big, high ceilings, tons of windows, looking straight into this green space. Again, because of the terrain, no houses will ever be there. So you have this beautiful space there. Nice, big, open. I love this bathroom. Bathroom, again, we have that nice big shower. We've got the basin tub. We've got his and hers. Look at the size of these mirrors. And then we have 2 big walk-in closets as well. Big, open, wonderful primary bathroom for a house this big. Little something interesting. Look at what they did here. So you've got outlets here, but they're hidden in the baseboards so that you can have lamps there, whatever. You could have your bed and everything, and have a little seating area with this as your view in your little reading spot, your little nook in here. Terrible thing to have to look at that view all day, right? Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at, We've got the 2-story ceilings, right? Nice big open area. Again, we've got again, I want you to really, from where you are, be able to take a look at this kitchen. And as we get a little closer, you'll start to see like it's got a nice big two tones with the cabinets. I love the fact that they did the second tone. They went ahead and brought that back in for the vent, just brought in a lot of color. Cabinets across the front, but of course you've got your breakfast bar there as well. Another thing that we want to take a look at as we come through here is we've got a huge laundry room where they took advantage of underneath the stairwell and created a nice big laundry area. This butler's pantry here. You've got a half bath here, and then you empty into this dining area right at the front of the house, which means you're able to, again, look at the way you can do your entertainment, right? In the front of this house, you've got beautiful stairway, you know, all that dramatic as you walk in, but you also have that back stairwell coming down into the kitchen. So just highly, highly functional house. Again, a lot of my clients, so many of them are looking for that, having this many bedrooms and bathrooms, but a lot of times with these 2 stories, they put all the bedrooms upstairs. This one actually does have the 2 full bedrooms downstairs, which is awesome. We'll take a quick peek out here because of the view out here is what we really want to take a look at. Again, we got nice covered patio, already wired to have your TV out here so that you've got plenty of space for not only a table, but either sitting area as well. And then to be able to know that you're not gonna have any neighbors over there. You're not gonna have any back neighbors in this area because of the terrain here. So you've got a little private oasis back here to sit, chill, have everybody over. And of course, our channel favorite, right? These doors open all the way up, so you create this huge open living space for everybody to enjoy. Hope you like the unique layout with that back set of stairs, 2 bedrooms downstairs, this beautiful little patio area with this wonderful view. We'll see you in the next video.